Hey, yeah, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade barbecue sauce. So first you want to start out with some ketchup. It really doesn't matter how much ketchup you use. You just want enough to where it covers your meat. So I have quite a bit of chicken that's going to be on the grill. So I'm making a whole pan. So I say this is about a cup or a cup and a half of ketchup that I'm pouring in a heated pan. Then I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of gin. But the best liquor to use in your barbecue sauce is dark liquor. Any kind of dark liquor is the best. But all I had was gin. So also I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of beer. It doesn't matter what kind of beer you use, as long as it's not malt liquor. And then you want a half a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of Creole seasoning salts or salt. It just depends on what you use, but I'm using Creole seasoning. Also, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. And that's more like a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. One teaspoon of paprika. And also, I did this off camera, but you also need 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. So 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of honey. If you want to add 4, you're more than welcome to add 4 if you like yours really sweet. Excuse my molasses jar, So now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of molasses to it. This really makes the barbecue sauce. So you have to have molasses for your barbecue sauce. You could actually do away with the molasses, but molasses makes the barbecue sauce. So I didn't have much mustard in there because I have a son that eats a lot of ramen noodles with mustard in it. So I didn't want it to squirt everywhere trying to put it on the spoon. All you need is a half a teaspoon, no, a teaspoon of mustard, sorry. A teaspoon of mustard. Then you need 4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. So let's stir up everything. Make sure your owl on your stove is on either medium or medium low, because we're just slow cooking it. We're not trying to rush to cook it. And you can keep it on the owl until it is time to put it on your meat. What I do is I usually dip my chicken and stuff inside the barbecue sauce and put it on the grill and let it marinate on the chicken. Instead of, I guess most people, they put the sauce and stuff on their meat once it comes off the grill and it's just soaking on it. It's telling you this sauce is good. You put it on the grill, put it on your meat, your chicken, whatever you do, and just let it sit on the grill for a couple of minutes. It's the best. So I hope you guys try this sauce at home. Don't forget to like it and thumbs it up, and don't forget to comment down below. Thanks for watching. This is what the wings came out to look like. So yeah, they were really, really good. They were so good. I loved it.